Hey everyone, welcome back to the car updates. The Fiat 500 Sport stays true to its roots with its retro-inspired design. The silhouette is instantly recognizable, paying homage to the classic Fiat 500 while incorporating contemporary details that make it feel fresh and modern. The Sport variant adds an extra dose of athleticism with sporty bumpers, a sleek rear spoiler, and bold alloy wheels. The LED headlights and tail lights give it a high-tech look, while vibrant color options allow drivers to express their individuality. It's a car that turns heads wherever it goes, blending timeless aesthetics with a modern twist. Under the hood, the Fiat 500 Sport offers a punchy powertrain that's perfect for city driving and beyond. It's powered by a 1.0-liter three-cylinder turbocharged engine, paired with a mild hybrid system to boost efficiency. With around 70100 horsepower, depending on the market, it's not the most powerful car, but it's designed for nimbleness and agility. The lightweight chassis and responsive steering make it a joy to drive, especially when navigating tight urban streets or weaving through traffic. Plus, the hybrid system ensures lower emissions and improved fuel economy, which is great for the environment and your wallet. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that's both stylish and functional. The Fiat 500 Sport balances retro charm with modern convenience. The dashboard features a clean design with soft touch materials and sporty accents that set it apart from the standard model. The seats are supportive and comfortable, upholstered in premium materials with contrast stitching for a touch of flair. Despite its compact size, the cabin feels surprisingly spacious, especially in the front, and there's clever storage throughout to keep things organized. Technology-wise, the Fiat 500 Sport comes equipped with all the features you'd expect in a modern car. The centerpiece is the Uconnect infotainment system with a touchscreen display, offering seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bluetooth connectivity, a premium audio system, and navigation are also available, ensuring you're always connected and entertained. The digital driver display adds a modern touch, providing essential information like speed, navigation, and hybrid system stats in an easy-to-read format. Safety is another area where the Fiat 500 Sport impresses. It comes with a suite of advanced driver assist features to give you peace of mind on the road. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and rear parking sensors. The compact size of the car also makes it incredibly easy to maneuver and park, further enhancing its urban-friendly appeal. One of the standout features of the Fiat 500 Sport is its personality. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Whether you're zipping through city streets or heading out for a weekend getaway, it brings a sense of fun and style to every journey. The Sport variant in particular caters to those who want a little more excitement with its dynamic design and slightly sportier handling. The Fiat 500 Sport is also an excellent choice for eco-conscious drivers. The mild hybrid system not only improves fuel efficiency, but also supports electric-assisted starts and smoother stop-and-go performance in traffic. It's a small step towards sustainability, without compromising the fun-to-drive character that the Fiat 500 is known for. In terms of practicality, the Fiat 500 Sport is ideal for city dwellers or those who need a secondary car. It offers just enough space for daily errands or a quick road trip with a compact footprint that makes parking a breeze. While the rear seats are best suited for shorter trips or smaller passengers, the folding design adds versatility for carrying larger items when needed. In conclusion, the Fiat 500 Sport is more than just a car, it's a lifestyle choice. With its iconic design, sporty details, efficient performance and modern technology, it ticks all the boxes for a fun and functional urban companion. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a seasoned car enthusiast or someone looking to downsize without sacrificing style, the Fiat 500 Sport is worth considering. Thank you for tuning into our in-depth review of the Fiat 500 Sport. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more reviews, test drives, and automotive insights. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Fiat 500 Sport. Does it fit your style? And until next time, drive safe and keep exploring. Time